Today on AFOL TV, we're building modern office furniture and it starts right now. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to build awesome LEGO creations, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you never miss anything. Alright guys, so as mentioned in the opening today, we're doing a modern office cubicle. We're going to do everything including the seats. The only parts that we're not going to do are the plants, which I'll link up above. We did a tutorial a couple weeks ago that'll show you how to do those. So let's get to it. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. We release new content every week. And that's it. Hope you guys liked the build. We'd appreciate it if you'd like, share, and consider subscribing if you don't already. You can also follow us on Instagram and TikTok as @afol.tv. And again, you can download instructions for our other builds and part files on our site, www.afolstore.com. And lastly, if you have any suggestions on what we should build next, leave them in the comments below. Thanks again, and see you next week.